Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Cindy Leader. I'm the founder of Lattes and More. We've been in business here for teaching trading for 3 years. I've officially been trading for 6 years. My only job, I quit my job as a teacher 6 years ago, the end of July. Really happy where I am. Really, really happy. And I love teaching. I have that background and I have the trading background. I haven't done an update in months, a while. I don't want to say a year, but it's been a while. I guess it's been a busy year. So I wanted to, well, it has been because I have a new home and new family members. And so I guess I've been busy. So I wanted to tell you about my YouTube channel. If you don't already know, I have a Patreon trading platform, and all my videos were on there. You had to pay to get all my videos. What I've done this year, 2025, is I've moved all of my videos except for my strategy exactly how I trade. I moved all those videos over to my YouTube channel. Let me show you really quick. But I'm also excited because I entered a demo trade for you. We had one last night on our Zoom. I keep a little notebook of how our trades went, and our Bitcoin trade from last night hit. But let's float over there real quick. So when I checked this before I came over here on my live, I was $50 in profit. So it just went down. But as you can see, I entered my US 30 trade. I have a stop loss. Like I'm ready to go. And I know there was just some news out on um, President Trump's solid pick. I guess the market is feeling a solid pick for Fed chair position. So I feel like that's what's moving the market right now. I did not see anything else, but on any given day, who knows? But we're in a Bitcoin trade. We are actually going for it's a point oh two, I'm sorry, US 30 trade. We're going for a take profit of $182. Right now we have our 2-to-1 stop loss. What I like to do is change it to my latte stop loss once it's really in profit. So we are not there yet because $14 is not really in profit, some profit. But let's go over to my YouTube channel really quick, and we'll talk about my Patreon really quick, and then we'll all continue on our day. But I just want to share with you how I'm trading, who I'm trading with, why I'm trading, all those things. So here's my Lattes and More Trading YouTube channel. And if you go to, well, you can click on any of these, and there's something under each of these, right? Um, If you go to 891 views, let's go. If you go to playlists, you can see I kind of have this set up in a certain way. On my Patreon, I had tiers. The year before last, when it started, if you were a brand new trader, like what are candles? What is the forex market? So there's videos on that. If you were an experienced trader or you did it in the past, it didn't work out, I have some videos for you. If you're a fundamental trader like myself and you want to understand the news and higher level economics to help you trade, which I feel is so important than just following trends on the chart because the news is so volatile and the news is really what moves the market. So that's what this Cafe au lait is. And Trade Locker is the platform that I'm trading on. I'm no longer on MT4, MT5. I have not been for almost 2 years now. I think December will be 2 years. I'm super happy with Trade Locker. And I just did a bunch of videos on how to maneuver through the platform. They do their own videos. You can find them on Trade Locker on YouTube. Um, You can find them on Trade Locker on YouTube. But their videos are sometimes set to music and they're like 43 seconds long. I need more than that if I'm learning a new skill. So I like talk you through things. Let's check on our trade really quick. Just making sure that you can see this. I'm a big US 30 lover. I just am. I've been trading US 30 exclusively for 3 years now. Anyway, so we are $50 up on our trade where we're going for a take profit of what? 190, 182. Um, so very soon, if it slips over, closer to $100 in profit is where I might change my take profit to, hey, broker, I'm gonna let you take $90 if it goes the opposite way, to, hey, broker, you know what? I'm going to be happy with my latte stop loss. And trading with me, you'll understand what that is. I'll take something better than nothing. This is a loss for me. So I might not want to take that, but we'll see what happens. We'll come back and check that in a momentito. So you saw my YouTube channel. Every video I've made on there is free. This is why you want to join my Patreon. Once a week, we have a Zoom, a 1.5 hour-ish Zoom, talk about what's going on in the market, refresh the strategy. We take a random trade of something that we see in the market. I've been keeping this book, this trade book, since I started, since 22, since 21. Since 1921, I've had this book back and forth on these pages of trades that we took. Hit, 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 hit. Do they all hit? No. Do we hit stop loss? Yeah. But these particular ones have hit. So my Patreon, let's go to my Patreon really quick and why you want to be on there. So when you come to my Patreon, um, you don't see all this. I'm in your view, right? Big on the screen, but you don't see all this. This is me. That's part of my back office. But you see what's on here. So what I've done is taken all my videos and all my tiers of, hey, I'm new. Hey, I know something. Hey, I want to learn at a higher level. Those and hey, here's my strategy. There were 4 tiers that you paid separately for. So again, all that is free on YouTube, except for my strategy. So what I did, because everything is still on here, all my videos, so you can watch them here as well. But if you go to collections, um, so we just had a Zoom meeting last night, so I'll be adding it here. Here's our Zoom meetings. Here's our Zoom meetings. And here's my strategy and exactly how there's 21 videos on exactly how to do my strategy. Um, seems like a lot. Why are there so many? Just might be I think like, hey, you better have that stop loss in. Yeah, it's a lot of stop loss. Um, bonus review, how to use my strategy. How to use my strategy. Starting from, hey, here's a description of it. So what you can do when you go here, I believe, is go to oldest to newest. You want to start with, if you're new and you're learning my strategy, you want to go to the oldest video. Hey, what is it? Hey, I'm rolling it out. Hey, here we go. Here's all my videos. Um, so also, like I said, you want to go to collections. It's simple. You go to collections, it will show the Zoom meetings and it will I think, oh, you know what I did recently? I did a new video on a new function on Trade Locker. So I'm like, well, where does this fit in? Not Zoom meetings and not my strategy. So I have a third collection folder on Trade Locker. How to use the trade locker break even feature that they have. So this is $50 a month. You sign up, you subscribe, you get me my calendars available. You can book me for some one-on-one time. I love the Zooms because we have multiple people and it's just more of a fun time. We're always on. My new favorite thing recently is we're always on when Asia market opens up at 8 p.m. So we're always watching the candles. That's why we're sometimes we take a UJ trade. Like, what do you think is going to happen? Um, so we do stuff like that. So I wanted to share all of that with you. Hey, let's check on that trade. Where are we? Is this it? Oh, yes. Ooh. Let's see. Are we gonna, what was my take profit? I feel like it was 184. Are we gonna hit take profit? Take profit 975. It is nine. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. So I just started a video before and I messed up and same thing happened. We hit take profit on my live recording and then I think that I messed it up. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure we were still recording. So just this morning, oh, it's getting close to London market closing. Just this morning, 300, well, we actually made more. Today, which counts from last night, the market opened at 6 p.m. Where's that trade? So I've been trading in this demo since market open last night. So I hit two stop losses. One was more sizable. I mean, doable. I was obviously, this was a 2-to-1, so I was going for a couple $100. Stop loss. Take profit during the Zoom. This was a take profit. Yeah, these were take profit last night. These were take profits this morning. So this just means in my live accounts I'm doing really well because I'm in sales at a much higher lot size. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go check my live trades. I'm gonna continue my day. Come talk to me. Book my calendar. Let's see if I can get there. Can I get there? Can I minimize this? It won't let me. My calendar is not up here. Calendly.com/lattes and more and you can find me. You know what? Let me just, for the sake of it, let me just bring it up for you. Then I'll feel better. Give me 1 second. You know what? Let me just pause it. So calendly.com/lattes and more trading. I had trouble finding it because sometimes I'm lattes and more, sometimes I'm lattes and more trading. So it's lattes and more trading, and you can pick a time to come sit with me. Um, you can pick a time. I have most days except for Wednesdays and Sundays. I'm surprised I have Fridays. Fridays. Mm, I guess I have Fridays. You can reach me most days. So I would love to sit and talk with you more about what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and how it could benefit you. These are times where you want to have your own back, learn a new skill so you can be more stable financially or be financially free. Man, it's so important. I don't really know where I would be today if I hadn't learned how to trade in a very different situation, not in my new home, not listening to a speaker soon. I have a noontime meeting. and I'm going to my garden, and then I'll walk later, and then see my significant other. So, this is the life that I chose. I worked really hard to get here, and I want to help you. So, I will talk to you all soon. Come find me. You know where to find me.